Hello students, welcome back. Today we'll go through the program in QBasic using a step statement. So we all know through the program done in the last video that by default the next statement increments or increase the value of the control variable by 1. So we did not use the step value in the program we have done till now, but we can increase or decrease the value as per our choice using the step statement. So step statement is optional and it can be positive or negative. Now this is the syntax for next with step value. For we'll use one variable that will control the loop, and it is a numeric variable, and we will give a two limit. One is the initial limit, that is the starting value, and another is the final limit, and the next will be the step value, by how many steps the particular loop will get executed. Now here are some of the programs. We'll go through the program one by one and we will execute the program and see whether it is working or not. So these are some of the program using step value. So the first program is to write a program to print the series 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19 and so on. If you go to the series of number here, you will see a difference of 3 values between each and every number. Now let us go through the program. For a is equal to 1, so I just want to start with the 1 to 20. So my final value or my final step is 20, and then I have used the step value as 3, so that each time the loop will execute, it will increase it will increment the value of the control variable by 3. Next is print a, so it will print the value of the a, then next a and end. Now let us see the program. Now see, you can see that first the value of a is 1, so is 1 less than equal to 20? Yes, the value is less than equal to 20. It will print or it will execute the value of a. So the first value of a is 1. It will print 1. Now the control will move to the next. Statement, and the next value of a will be a plus 1. That is 1 plus 3. So the 1 plus 3 is 4. Now the control will move to the for loop here, and it will again check the condition, or it will check the value of control variable. So now the next value is 4. So it's 4 less than equal to 20. Yes, condition is true. 4 is less than equal to 20. The next value of a will get printed. That is 4 will get printed. Now again the control will pass to the next statement, and the next value of a will be 4 plus 3, because every time the value of a is getting incremented by the step value 3. So the next value will be 7. Again the control will pass to the for statement, and it will check the next value of a. The next value of a is 7. Is 7 less than equal to 20? Yes, the condition is true. Again it will print the next value of a, 7. So in this way every time the control pass to the next statement, the value of a get incremented by 3. Now after printing 19, when the control pass to the next statement, the value of a will be 19 plus 3, 21. Now again the control will pass to the for loop, and it will check the condition, is 21 less than equal to 20? No, 21 is neither equal to 20 nor less than equal to 20. Now in this case what happens is the condition becomes false and the loop will get terminate, and it will come out of the next statement. So let us go through the program. Let me copy this program. So here's my QBasic folder. Let me double click and open it, and let me open QV64. So this is my QBasic interface, and let me type the program. So This is the program for a is equal to 1 to 20. Step value is 3. Print a, next a, n. So let us run the program and see what will be the output. You can run the program either clicking on this run option and click on the start option, or you can press F5 key from the keyboard. Just click it and you can see that the program is starting, and you will see the output in the new window. See, you can see 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19 means the program is correct using the step value. So the next is press any key to continue. So from the keyboard you can press any key to move back to the QBasic window. So this is our first program to print the series, that is 4, 7, 10, 13. Now let us go through the next program. See, again or write a program to print the series 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Now what is happening here? The series are in reverse order. Okay, 20, 16, and if you see there is a difference of 4 values between each and every number. So here's the program. See, for a is equal to 20. Now what happened is your initial limit will be bigger than your final limit. So this is my initial limit, means I will start printing from 20, say 20, 16, 12, 8. So for that purpose, I have used the initial value as 20 and my final value will be 1. And as I want to print the series in reverse order, and with the difference of 4 values, so my step value will be -4. Next is print a, end a, next a and end. Now let us go through this program. Now first, the loop, that is, it will check the condition whether 20 is less than, 20 is greater than equal to 1. Yes, 20 is greater than equal to 1. Then what will happen? It will print the value of a. So the value of a, first value of a is 20. So 20 will get print and the control will pass to the next statement. So what will be the next value of a? The next value of a will be 20 minus 4. See, we are decreasing the value in the reverse order with the step -4. So the next value of a will be 20 minus 4, that is 16. The control will pass to the for loop and it will again check the condition is 16 greater than equal to 1. Yes, the condition is true. Again it will print the next value of a, that is 16. Now the control will pass to the next statement. In the similar way, now the next value of a will be 16 minus 4, 12. So in this way the loop will move on and it will execute the value of a until and unless the condition becomes false. Now finally, when the value of a becomes 0, is 0 greater than equal to 1? No, the condition is false. What will happen? The loop will terminate, it will not print any number and it will come out of the next statement. A simple program. So now let me copy this program. Let me go to my QBasic interface and let me type the code here. So next program, let me run and see it whether it is working or not. Yes, you can see 20, 16, 12, 4, 8. So the number is in reverse order with the difference of 4. That is the step value with -4. Now, suppose say if you want to print horizontally in a single line the value of a, you have to give the semicolon. Now see what will happen if I give the semicolon after the variable name. Let me run the program. You can see that all the value will come in a single line. So after the variable name, you can either use a semicolon or you can also use a comma if you want to print it horizontally. Now let us go through the next program. Next program is write a program to print the even number between 1 to 20. So for a is equal to 2, because your even number starts from 2. So my initial limit or starting limit should be 2 and my final limit will be 20 because I want to print the number between 1 to 20. So the step value is 2. So in the same way, first it will check the condition that 2 is less than equal to 20. Yes, it will print 2. Then the control will pass to the next, and the next value of a will be a plus 2, that is 2 plus 2 4. Again the control will pass to the for statement. It will check the condition. In this way, till the condition becomes true, the value of next value of the a will get printed one after another, and finally when the value condition becomes false, the loop will get terminate and it will come out of the next statement. So let us see this program, that is to print the number between 1 to 20. Let me go to the QBasic interface. And let me run the program. So you can see it is printing the even number between 1 to 20. That is 2, 4, 6, 8. Means the program is okay. Now suppose say if you want to print the even number between say 50 to 100, then you can make your initial limit as a 50 and you can make your final limit as 100. So what it will do, it will print all the even number between 50 to 100. You just need to change the value of a initial, that is initial value, and the final value of a control variable. See, it is showing me all the even numbers between 50 to 100. Now let us go to the next program. See here, write a program to print the odd number between 1 to 20. So the program is exactly similar to the one that we have printed the even number here. So in here, while printing the even number, we have started from the 2. Here, to print the odd number, we'll start the value from 1 because 1 is an odd number. And if you want to print the value, suppose say the odd number between 1 to suppose say 50, so you can initialize your initial value, that it will start with 1 and it will go till 50. That is the final limit is 50 and rest are same. Now the next program is write a program to print all the odd numbers from 1 to 20 in reverse order. So whenever we want to execute the value of a variable in reverse order, make sure that your initial limit should be more than your final limit and your step value should be in a negative number. That is whether it is -2, -3, -5, whatever it may be. Once we are printing the value in a reverse order, your step value will be negative, your initial value will be greater than your final value. So you can also go through this program and you can just see all your odd number between 1 to 20 will be printed in reverse order. Now see the next program here. Write a program to print the multiplication table of the given number up to 12 times. Now suppose you can give your own number here. What I have given is 5. So I want the multiplication table of 5 till 12. Suppose say 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. In this way, I want to go till 5 into 12. So you can see here, this is a very simple program. I have used for a is equal to 1. Means I want to start from 1. That is 5 into 1. And my final limit is 12. That is 5 into 12. Now I want to print what? 5. Now you can see you in class 6 you have already learned what is the difference between comma and semicolon. So you can also give comma in place of semicolon. But the difference between comma and semicolon is that if you use semicolon, there will be just a single step between the two number, and if you keep the comma, there will be a bigger space or a gap between the two number. Now 5, this is into x, and you see I just want to print it as it is, so I have given in a double quote. Means whatever you want to print as it is, you have to put it in the double quote, semicolon again, just to give a small space, then a. Again 5 into a is equal to say the given number, and again I want to print equal sign as it is and 5 into a next day. Now let us see how this program works. Now see here, sorry, first it will check 5 into a. What is the first value of a? The first value of a is 1. Okay, so 1 is less than equal to 12. Okay, so the value of a will be 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to how much? 5. That is 5 into a. The value of a is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Now the next value of a will get incremented into 2. That is a plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. The control will pass to the 4 and it will check the next value again. Is 2 less than equal to 12? Yes. Condition is true. The next value of a will be 2. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now again the control will pass to the next statement. The next value of a is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So it will check, is 3 less than equal to 12? Yes. So the value of a will be 3. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. That is 5 3 is 15. So in this way the loop will move for 12 times. And finally, when the initial limits become 13, and again it will check the condition, is 13 less than equal to 12? No, 13 is not less than equal to 12. The condition becomes false and the loop will get terminated. So what will be the output of this program? 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 5 into 3 equal to 15, because every time the value of the a get incremented by 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. In this way it will increment. So let us see this program. So let me paste it. Now see, let us see whether the program is working or not. Let me press F5 from the keyboard. Now you can see the table of 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 10. So my initial limit is 1 and my final limit is 12. So the loop will move 12 times here to print the multiplication table of 5. Now if you want to print the multiplication of any number, suppose say I want to print the multiplication table of 13. So you just give the number as 13 and here you have to change it as 13 into a. So just check it. Press the F5 and check it. See here. So in this way we can also create a multiplication table of any number using a for loop. So this is all in today's video. So I hope you have understood it. Kindly go through the video. Along with this video I will provide you the PDF file also. So do practice at home. Thank you, children.